all studied the previously taught topics, and you revised and you did practicals, as I hope. So today I will discuss a new topic. That was the first one is undo and redo features. What are the undo and redo commands in Microsoft Excel? So just see here. Suppose, let me first open a new Excel work, that is workbook. So I clicked on this one. So suppose, what is undo? So the shortcut for undo is Control plus Z. This is the key, shortcut key. And what are redo? Let me write about redo. Redo is having shortcut command Control plus Y. And what is this? The definition is, suppose students, if you have written Ramesh, Ramesh to any cell, and after that you realize that you have written a wrong name. That means this cell should be blank. That means it should be like the same thing as it was. So how it was? It was blank. So you will do Control plus Z. So automatically it will be blank. That means it will be previously like this. So there are many options. There are two options for doing this. First one is by the quad shortcut keys, and the second one is by quick access toolbar. So here is the quick access toolbar. Let me show you first thing. You just click over here, and you got a option undo and redo. So if you click on this, you just see here, this is undo means Control Z, and if you do this one, it's again appear. That means redo. So these are the option undo and redo. What are the differences between this and difference between undo and redo? Basically, students, redo is the opposite of undo. That means if you deleted Ramesh and after that you realize, oh, there should be Ramesh, but I used Control plus Z, so I will do it again Control plus Y. Y means it is opposed. That means Ramesh will appear once again. So control, you can use option Control Z also. Then after that you will Control Y for appearing once it again. Let me show you by a number. Suppose 23, 46 and 50. I have written these numbers. So after that what I do, I am writing these these numbers I have written. So after that I realized that this number is written wrong, and here there should be 110. So 110, I replaced this number, but after that I realized uh, that the old one which I have written, that was correct. I by mistake I did it. So what I will do it, Control plus Z. You can see here the previous data, it was written 110.5. It is appeared on the same cell again. But the thing is, if after some time I realize that the previous, that is which I corrected, it was correct. So I will use Control Y. Then you can see here 110 written again. So what is this? It is it is clear that uh, undo and redo. So redo is the opposite of undo. Okay. So next feature, inserting cells, columns, and rows. How you will insert cells, how you will insert columns, and how you can insert complete rows in a already built data. Suppose I have this data. Let me write some data for you. Suppose this is marks. Here written marks, and here written name, and some names are written over here: Pramod, Rakesh, Mohan. This one random name I am writing here. Suppose any name you can think about. This is not a So okay, so these names are written. So you can see here, that is, after writing, suppose a list is made in Excel and some record are mentioned. After that I realized that there should be a middle column in between name and marks. So middle column means there should be the middle name of the student. So how I can do, I can, there is a one option, you just copy it, uh, and paste to somewhere else, then write a make a mark, make a column, and fill the data, fill the details of the middle name. But the problem is, if many columns over here, many columns over here, so how you will do it? You have to delete everything, because every columns you have to shift to the right place. So this is not a good way. So there is an option, there are some options are available. So by that you can do these things. So first one is, select the columns to which you want to make the column blank columns. So that suppose I have selected these columns. These column, you can say J column. I selected J column from the cell number J10 to J19. So I want the same number of columns to the left side. So I click on right click, and there will be insert option, and shift cells right, shift cells down, entire row and entire column. So if I write entire column, you can see here, you can see here in the left side, the same number of blank cells are created. Okay, so this is the way of creating the same number of columns, same number, I'm sorry, same number of cells at the left position. So the second way how you can do the manual way is, on the home tab there are cells group here, and at here there is a insert cells option. Click over here, you will get this uh, you can see here the options, drop down, click on insert cells option from the drop down list. You will get a dialog box. So basically this is called dialog box, this one is called dialog box. So this is insert dialog box, insert cells right, insert cells down, entire row, entire column. I need a column, you can see it is made already. So I think this option is complete, this concept is clear. And next one is inserting blank cells. Inserting a column. So I did it, inserting a column. So what is the next one? Copying and pasting data, this is other thing. Inserting column I did, inserting cells. Okay, next one is inserting cells. Suppose I click here and I want to insert a new cells. I will click right, then again insert dialog box, click on, and insert dialog box will appear. Then shift cells down, entire row, entire column, shift cells right. That means from here to which place you want that particular cells. You want upper side or down side. Suppose I click on shift cells right and shift cells down, and suppose I want to upper side a cells, click here, you get a space over here. So this cells is shifted to down. So these are the ways by which you can make the selected. Suppose I have selected this one, and click over here, click on insert, shift cell size, shift cells down, entire row, entire column. If I select entire column, you can see in the left side there will be created a blank space. If I do it, insert dialog box appear, shift cell size, you can see here our cell is shifted to the right. Next, if I click on this, shift cells down, so you can see these cells should be down. Okay, so these are the options, many options you can do according to your need. So next option is that is copying and moving data. So suppose you have entered data and you want to move that data from one cells to another cells, then how you can do it? So the options select the cells of, suppose you want to copy the data B4 to D4. So click on the copy button in the clipboard group. To move, the dashed line will appear around the selected cell. So you can copy manually. Suppose I selected over here, and this one I clicked over here. This line will appear. That means it is copied. Dashed line will appear. Dashed means the currently these data are copied. Next one, select the destination cell, where I am just reading. Let me show you this one. So select the destination cell. Let us say F6 and click on the paste button in the clipboard group. To text will appear. If you want to paste the same data in order in other cells, also you will simply need to click on the paste button after selecting them. So it uh, what it tells, suppose I have selected, I want to keep it here, so I will simply click paste button. You can see the data is copied. I want to here also paste. So at how many places it's not a problem. Just click the paste button how many times you want data at different locations. So I think this options is also completed. Next one is deleting cells, columns and rows. How you will delete the cells, how you will delete the columns, and how you will delete the rows. So select the range of a cell to be deleted. On the home tab, click on the drop down arrow of the delete button in the select the delete cells option. The delete dialog box will appear, displaying 4 options. Choose the appropriate options and observe the change. So suppose I want to delete this one. Select this one. These are all I want to delete. Then after that, I have to click on home tab. There is a delete option in the cells group. Click over here. So it is written delete cells, delete sheets rows, delete sorry, delete sheet columns, data, delete sheets. If I click over here, delete cells. So the delete dialog box appear. Shift cells left, shift cells up, entire column. If I click on shift cells left, you can see here, Control Z. If I do like this, shift cells up, you can see here. Okay, the better visibility you will observe here. If I have some data to up and down, then you will get better option, better visibility. Shift cells right. If I click this, you can see here these data are deleted, and it is the previous data is shifted to the right. Next, if I click shift cells up, you can see, these the below data is shifted to the upside. Let me practice one more time. If I have some data, these two datas, and I click on delete cells and shift cells up, you can see, so some data is shifted to the upside. Next one. So these are the options you can use according to your need. Delete cells. If I click on this, you can see complete rows are deleted. Suppose if I have selected this one, click on here and delete sheets row. This complete row is deleted. If I select this one, delete sheet columns, you can see complete columns are deleted. If I select this one and click over here and delete sheets, you can see this complete sheets will be deleted. You can see sheet 2 and sheet 3 is right now available. Sheet 1 is deleted. So these are the options you can apply according to your choice. So deleting columns and rows are completed. And the next one, moving data around. So drag and drop method. Select the cells, arrange cells, position the mouse pointer at the edge of the selected cell. Notice that the pointer change from white cross symbol to a move pointer symbol. Drag the selected cells or a range of cells to new destination and release the mouse button to data. The thing is, Sometimes you find the placement of data is not appropriate, you need to delete and retype it. Excel allows you to move the data around the worksheet. So all the editing features that we have discussed in this chapter are available in Excel 2007 also. So do not worry, if you have Excel 2007, then you can uh, do practice on that also. So these all things I have discussed, I think. So no need to go it again. So the next thing is started is changing row height and column height, and next one, custom list. I think some points, very little bit points are remains. Let me finish in today's class. No, changing autofill, changing. Okay, some points are remains, so I will discuss it in the next class. So thank you students for joining.